Hi, welcome to Module 2, Week 2. What I'm going to talk about today is just give you an overview of this week. So this week we're going to talk more about research alignment. And one of the things that you may be able to do is to provide useful feedback to your peers if you decide to do an optional small group meeting, which I do really encourage you to do. So if you do that, there are some resources for you, and it might be really helpful for you. There's also an assignment where you will review the literature on theoretical or conceptual frameworks. When you're thinking about planning your week, one of the things I want you to think about are the readings, and you will be asked to read Foster and Waters, Chapter 4, and research questions. So you'll get some feedback from me, and you'll be able to dig a little bit deeper into those research questions and revise as needed. You'll also want to read Zerubbabel, Chapter 3, and then watch this video about research study alignment. You'll see that it has quantitative, qualitative, and mixed methods approaches, and so that should be helpful for anyone in this group as you're thinking about putting all of those puzzle pieces together to make sure the picture fits just like it should. There is also a video on how to give good peer review feedback. So should you meet in your small groups, you'll have a good understanding of how to provide that feedback. And remember, it should be kind and it should be respectful. And it should also be critical in a very good way because you want to help your classmate, your cohort member, to improve their study. And so you have to remember that balance between being truthful and kind and also critical. There are some optional readings and videos for you for a quantitative research hypothesis and qualitative research design, as well as mixed methods. And I'm fairly certain that is Creswell right there. You have a few assignments due this week. One is your obviously optional small group meeting. And you don't need to submit anything for that, but I do encourage you to do that. You will want to upload a bibliography of at least 5 theoretical or conceptual framework sources via this link right below by the end of this week. And then using the table from Module 1 or your own process, you want to go ahead and log your seat time this week, compare it to what you did last week with the eye towards the future.